The Jensen JCR-310 AM/FM stereo dual alarm clock radio with top loading CD player. Now, this has a multi-function, almost 3/4 inch green LED display, CD compatible, auxiliary input jack shown here on the side for connecting your iPod, iPhone, smartphone, or all your other digital audio players. Skip search forward and back. Repeat one or all. Programmable memory. AM/FM stereo receiver. Dual independent alarms. Wake to radio, CD, or alarm. It has a programmable sleep timer to sleep to CD or radio, and snooze alarm. I really like the CD player alarm clock. It's most incredible, and let me remind everyone, when they do purchase one, please take the paper out of the inside when you put your CD in. Quality by Jensen.